Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making white sauce, or how you can also pronounce it, Bechamel Sauce. This is a great sauce to use in all type of recipes. You can use it in your lasagna, in your mac and cheese, in your oven dishes with some broccoli, whatever you want. It is super simple to make and it's super delicious. So let's start. For this recipe we need milk, butter, flour, nutmeg, salt and pepper. Begin by melting the butter in a small saucepan. Make sure not to brown the butter, otherwise we get brown sauce instead of white sauce. When the butter is melted, add the flour and whisk it together. There will be little lumps, but this is normal. Make sure you let the flour cook for a couple of minutes. My stupid head forgot to hit the record button, but as you can see I added the milk. Make sure the milk is cold so you don't get any lumps. I tried it multiple times and cold milk seems to help the best. Add the pepper. Whisk. Add the nutmeg. Whisk again. Add the salt and whisk a final time. The longer you leave the sauce cooking, the thicker it gets. Just be patient. When it reaches your desired thickness, remove it from the heat and transfer it into a bowl to use in a later stage, or use it straight away for your recipe. And enjoy! And that's it! I want to thank you so much for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. And make sure to also let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. What you think of this recipe and what you think I can improve in these videos. I hope you enjoyed it, and once again I see you in the next one.